Hello and welcome. So it's been a while since I last uploaded my video. Sorry, been busy. Right now, what we're going to achieve, what we're going to try in this video is write like a simple tool in Python with the help of Google Bard. So we're going to write some Python script. The main use case for us right now is we have this one PDF file. Let me just open this. This is a sustainability report of Hitachi, and you can see this is like 132 pages. And what we need to do right now, the task is for us to just extract all the text from these PDF files. I mean, all these texts, we want to extract them and put them inside an Excel file. Um, but we don't want to just extract all these texts and then dump inside the Excel file. What we want to do is have like for each page, extract, for example, this particular page, we're going to extract the text from this page and put it inside a row in the Excel file. And then it will move to the next page and it will be inserted into another row in that Excel file. So by the end of this application, we're expecting to have like two files in this folder right now. We have this old PDF file, and then we will have a new Excel file. So what we want to do is go ahead and check with Google Bard. So for now, let me just go ahead and copy the file name of this PDF, and let's go to Bard. Okay, let's do some let's do some design our prompt here. So let's tell it that I have sorry about that, this PDF file, PDF, okay, called, let's write, okay, and I need you to create a script which will extract, oh sorry, extract the text of this file, and it should follow the follow the instructions below. All right, so for each, sorry, we will create like an Excel file where the extracted text will be saved. All right, and then for each page in the PDF, it will be inserted in that PDF file. Okay, instead of it will be inserted okay, it will be inserted in a row inside that PDF file. We can say something like this. All right. So uh, by the end of okay of I mean after running this application or script, we should have a we should have an Excel file with the same number of rows as the number of pages in the file in the PDF. All right. So if we enter this, let's see how it will, what kind of code it will give us. Normally, when you ask this large language model to create a script, and if you did not design requires generate text, so I'm able to assist you. All right. So sometimes it works, sometimes not. I can maybe just try and edit this. All right. Now I need you to give me a script. Me. a script and then go ahead and update. Let's see. If you won't do it, I'm going to switch to ChatGPT. Yeah, that kind of thread sometimes works as well. All right, so we're going to use this PyPDF2 and OpenPyXL Python library. So let me just go ahead and copy this, copy, and then let's go and open our Sublime text. Let's go ahead and have another one. So let's save and let's put it inside. Yeah, all right. And then let's go ahead and maybe just insert our X. Let's name it the same, extract.py. All right. So what it does is it will create a workbook and it will open the PDF file. It's the same exact PDF file name that we gave it. And for each page inside that PDF file, what it will do is extract the text. So it will extract the text and then put it inside this variable page underscore text. And it will write to that Excel workbook. And it will go ahead and page number one, column one, column is what one value. No, it shouldn't be column equals one. Let's see if it's going to do like this. I'm not sure how this open PyXL works. Maybe we need to change column to row. Let's see later. All right. So I'm just going to save this and then let's go ahead and go back to the folder. Where is it? Okay. And let me just go and open the terminal here. So normally if you're going to run this for the first time and you probably don't have the libraries installed in your computer yet. So what you want to do is if you go back to Sublime Text and we're going to use these two libraries, right? So this one, for example, if you are going to import some libraries, you want to install them first inside your machine. So you can, if you have a Python already, let's see, I'm using right now 3.10.6 and what you want is pip install and let's go ahead and install PyPDF2. And I already have this installed on my computer, so it's let's go ahead and run this right away. So I'm going to type Python extract.py. Let's see if it's going to extract this. Okay, so this is one problem that you would normally encounter when you get some Python script from Bard or even from ChatGPT, because you know their training the data set that was used to train these models are not really up to date. So it might happen that some codes it will spit out are already deprecated and you need to upgrade or you're already using like a newer version of those libraries. And in our case right now, there's no PDF file reader anymore. There's only PDF reader. So we can go ahead and just change this. I'm seeing that there's PDF file reader right here. I'm just going to remove this file in between and save this again. So you should expect this kind of situation when you're using Bard or ChatGPT for your programming. So you need to at least be able to understand the code that you're writing, it's giving to you, and you need to be able to troubleshoot. But of course, you can also just go ahead and copy this and give this to Bard and ChatGPT. But the problem is, in the first place, they don't know that this code has changed already. So they might still give you um, some workaround, but those workaround is not really going to fix this issue right away. They might say that okay, maybe we need to use a different library. So you just want to be careful on that. So there's another one. A reader that get num pages is already deprecated as well. It's already changed to the length and then reader that pages. So let's go ahead and find where these get underscore pages. So this is here in our loop statement. Get pages. We want to change this into something like len and okay, sorry, wait, PDF. underscore file. We want to change this into something like len reader.pages. Okay, so we want to change this whole thing, and it should be len. And then reader, what we have is like PDF underscore file. So PDF underscore file dot pages. All right. Okay, that should work. And let's go ahead and try this one again. Of course, yeah, PDF. Cool. All right. Now there's another one. So yeah, we need to change this as well. So reader that get page. So we want to just get the page for this. So we want this page number, and here we have this get page and that page number, and then extract text. So instead of that, it should be using reader that pages page number. All right, so this is our reader, and then this is like we want to change this to pages, and then this should be an array, and then there should be page number. Yeah, page num. All right. And of course, so extract text. Now we have this extract text. It should be extract underscore text. All right, one more time. Okay, so now it's successful, and we should now see that there's another Excel file inside this folder. And you'll see here that we have successfully extracted all this. So yeah, I mean, in our case right now, we have these attaches in this report. This is the title. You have that in the header of the PDF for each page. So that's why we're seeing all of this right here. But if you're going to open this, and let's go ahead and try to like double click on one, you'll see that we have all the contents inside here. So it satisfies our requirement. We have the script, and we extracted like all the pages inside the PDF file into each row of the Excel file. So this is like 132. Let's see how many do we have. So this is 132 pages, and we see here we have like 132 rows. So that's it. So that's simple script. So key takeaway from this video is that if you're going to use ChatGPT or Bard or any other large language models out there, you should be prepared that you might have to do some troubleshooting, because you have to keep in mind that they have this kind of limitation. These libraries, these technologies will keep on updating. Some codes will be deprecated sooner or later, and since those old codes were used to train these models, it might give out some code or script which is already outdated and would contain these kind of deprecated codes. So yeah, just be careful in using them. And but still, if you know how to work around on this, I mean, this is really powerful tool, because whenever you want to automate things like this, you want to just simplify your task, you can always just use them, create your own script, and you can just go ahead and use it again and again. So right now, we did some troubleshooting. That's only one time. Next time, if I will have like another PDF file, I can just go ahead and extract all the contents of the PDF file right away. And another thing is you can still improve this. Like imagine if you have like a lot of files, and you want to put all of them inside the folder, and then you want to create a script which will go through, will just loop into each file inside that folder, extract all these texts. You can do a lot of these things. You can still improve this simple application. All right. So yeah, but when doing so, you need to be able to go ahead and troubleshoot some of these codes. So yeah, it makes our life easier, but in a way, you still need to control them. That's it for this video. I hope you learned something.